So I managed to fix this power bank, battery bank, whatever you call it. I cut it open and checked inside, determined that the port is broken. I mean really worn out, not really broken. And it wouldn't charge up. And the user, the owner, let it go below 3.3 volts, and yeah, that's when it charges very slowly. I left it for like 3 hours to get to 3.6 volts. So yeah, normally this power bank charges to 100% in about 2 hours at 2 amps. 2 hours, maybe 3. Okay, but whatever, it should have charged to 100%, and that was the strange behavior. So yeah, it took like 3 hours, and then I plugged it into a slow charger, and it charged at 1 amp to 100% in like 6 hours. And now it seems to be fine. I press the button, all lights are shining, and that means it's at around 90%, maybe between 75 and 100%. This is what it means. If only 3 shine, then it's between 50 and 75, 25 and 50, below 25 when only 1 light is on. So yeah, now it seems to be working, and I will just solder in a USB cable, if I can remember where I put it. Oh man, I put it somewhere, I promise. Oh boy, how can I forget? I mean, it was in my hand a minute ago. Oh boy. Yeah, it must be on the ground. Yeah, it's here. So here's the USB cable. That's already cut. I know it can support 2 amps, so it shouldn't be a problem. The red is the positive, black is negative. And we have to just see on the circuit board where they go. So let's open this up. Let's measure the battery. That's always interesting to see how much they lost the charge after. I didn't charge anything off it, so now it should be fully charged. Let's see. It's at 20 volts. I mean the multimeter. And let's see how much are remaining. Come on. Oh boy, it doesn't get good contact. So 4.13, it should be 4.2, but if the cells are degraded, I mean they are second life cells anyway, and they have been used, so yeah, 4.1 is perfectly fine. Maybe it's not at 100%, only 95 or 90, but that's typical. Okay, so that's good. And let's see, how can I check the input voltage? Where can I solder it? So I determined that these two, come on, focus, that these two pads connect there, but it doesn't have any voltage now. I have to plug it in. I will plug it into the charger, and let's see. It's plugged in, and it's not charging because it doesn't make good contact. Now it does, if I raise the port a bit. Okay, I need it like that, and then measure. So I assume this is the negative and this is the positive. No, it's the opposite. So this is the negative. and this is the positive. Yes, 4.9 volts on the multimeter. So yeah, this will be the negative and positive. So let's I need some scissors, man. Where did I put some good scissors? Cutting blade, but no scissors. Oh boy, I didn't prepare for this. Oh, here they are. Oh, thank God. The big scissors. So let's unplug this and switch this off. How do you switch it off? 2 clicks, okay. And we need a soldering iron, some solder. Yeah, got it. Some solder. And yeah, let's cut down the ends to size, and this cable will come out. Where will it come out? Here, right through the charging port. Yeah, let's just make the hole bigger and tear down the... I can't tear it down. Oh boy. I'll just make a hole real quick. So making a hole in plastic, that's an easy job. So I'll put it above this port here, and that will be, this is like that. So here, somewhere here, I will just put a, oh, I need another screwdriver. Come on. Fine, I'll use a soldering iron then. Don't breathe in, be careful. So this is a square hole now, but we can make it round with man, I can't find my tools today. A triangular file. We can do it with this one. Just twist it, spin it, I mean, until the hole gets big enough. Twist it in the other direction, maybe. Yeah, it would be nicer with a drill, but this works too. And it's sufficient, I think. Just push this in, and this will connect to the, come on in, like that. This will connect to the circuit board. Let's cut it down to size. Yeah, and it needs some new solder, like that. This one doesn't need anymore. Yeah, it's cut. So let's put some solder on the red one. And this still stinks from the plastic. So the negative is the, oh, let's just heat this up because I don't like the way it looks. There was something on it. Okay. So let's see. The negative goes to the negative. I still don't like this. And it's too flat and potentially dangerous for a short circuit. I will redo this. This is not good. Let's yeah, let's redo it. Cut off the insulation. Like that. And cut off a bit of the end. here, just for a tiny little bit of solder. Like that, and a tiny bit for this. I'm cutting my finger too, but that's not a problem. It will grow back. So yeah, now let's add some solder carefully, because the insulation wants to melt very fast. So okay, that's almost perfect. Kind of flat. Why is it flat? This is not a flat cable, but the wires want to be in a flat shape. I mean the strands in the wire. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, now let's solder it to the circuit board. Let's see how I can take it a bit out, like this. Okay, plenty of room. So first the positive, which I determined it's right there. Where does it go? It goes to the capacitor. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. How can I solder it better? You don't even see it. Oh, so it's there, but I can't really reach it. It's really hard. Oh boy, why is it so hard? I need a good position here. Crap. I need something to hold this open, and I can't find any. Oh, flash drive. Okay, let's put the flash drive here. So vertically, yeah, it doesn't hold. I have to put solder on the circuit board first. Yeah, and now put it on. Okay, this should work. Okay, it's on, and I will put some hot glue on it. Hopefully it doesn't touch anything else. We'll have to test it. So here will be the negative, and some more solder. Put the negative here. Yeah, okay, I think it's okay. And then it will be bent in some way. So let's see, let's try to charge it from a power bank, another power bank here. I put it in, and it starts charging. Okay, so yeah, that was the problem, bad contact in the plug. Now I'm sure of it, and the connection is good. So now for plugging in the heat gun, not heat gun, hot glue gun. Plug it in. It has munition, and yeah, we'll just glue everything in, I suppose. Glue this to the front plate. How will that look? Like this. This is its place, but it doesn't want to go in like I want. Come on. Come on. Come on. So this cable is too thick, but it shouldn't be a problem. It will have a place here. So maybe oh boy, this is too tall. I have to push it down so it can go in. And now it can stay put. And then somehow go to the hole and like that. Come on. Come on. And it's perfectly fine. So I have to glue this cable. I have to glue it to everything. Yeah, I was kind of lost there. I have to glue it to everything. So yeah. I have to glue in the end first, and yeah. Let's see the gun. The hot glue gun. Let's put it on some paper. Yeah, it's almost ready. I don't think the color matters. So now I can just glue the, oh yeah, stop the charging and turn off the power bank. Come on, turn off. Okay. And now let's put some hot glue there where I soldered the stuff. Like that. Some nice hot glue. Like that. Is that enough? Probably not, but can I cheat? I want to plug in something with a USB here, and have it. Oh, it starts powering it right away. That's not the best thing right now, but I think it's okay. I just put it full of hot glue, just full, and the other end too, like that. And when it hardens, it will be in the appropriate place, and I can just slide it in and put some more glue in the opening. So yeah, that was my plan. And then put some electrical tape on it or something. So yeah, the button works, and yeah, let's just glue this together. Yeah, like this. Oh boy, this is kind of ugly. because this doesn't come in its appropriate place. Now it is almost. I think it's good. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be functional. Like that. I got some on my hand. Okay. So let's just spread it a little so it holds very well. And yeah, it doesn't look nice, but it will be covered with electrical tape. Maybe put a little here into the hole. Like that. Yep. And this side too, the same logic. Spread it a bit on the surface so it holds better. Yeah. Some ketchup. Okay, I think I'm done with the ketchup, and then I'll just cover it with tape and job well done, I think. Let's just check. Let's try charging it. Starts charging. Okay. And let's try to charge something off of it. Here in one of the ports. And put this in.